by 5 lawyers. She appealed to us to take her case. We have always represented people who could not fight for themselves. We want to get them the most money we can. That's our job, and we are really good at it. You only have to do one thing. Remember this name, Lundy Law.
I'm broke because I can't get a good job. But I can get a good job because I didn't go to school. But I don't have the money for school because I'm broke. Because I can't get a good job because I didn't go to school. Because I didn't go to school. I didn't go to school.
Hold on. It's time to call Kaplan Career Institute. With career training as a dental assistant, electrical technician, or computer network technician, Kaplan can help you get the big break you deserve. Call 800-604-9500 for your free career compass guide. Kaplan Career Institute, your career compass.
Real cases from the files of Swartz Culleton.
I'm a working professional. When I was injured, Swartz Culleton got me justice.
I'm a certified nurse disease. One day I fell on the side. Even though I was fasting, I had missed a night. Swartz Culleton got me justice.
My work accident was so sudden. In an instant, my knee was in excruciating pain. Swartz Culleton got me justice.
If you're injured, get the job. Call 1-800-JUSTICE. Fox 29 TV, your weather authority. Welcome back. Your Fox 29 Winter Weather Authority continuing to monitor this dangerous situation with the snowfall occurring, the tumbling temperatures, as well as the reduced visibilities across the area. Temperature-wise right now is 21 degrees, but look at those winds out of the northeast at 20, making it feel like 6 degrees. You cannot see the center city skyline due to the clouds and that snowfall occurring, so visibility is greatly reduced right now. Look at the temperatures. It's 21 degrees in Philadelphia, 21 right now in Wilmington. We have 18 degrees in Allentown. So not only do we have the snow, but we have the concern for those dangerous wind chills. Look at them dropping right now. It feels like 8 degrees in Atlantic City. It feels like 3 in Wrightstown. It feels like 5 below already in the Poconos. So if you have to be out, dress in layers and bundle up, but otherwise just stay indoors. As we look at Ultimate Doppler, we have good coverage of that snowfall across our area.
Look at Tony. Fuck she doing out in the snow?
Occurring right around that I-95 corridor. Earlier in the afternoon, we had that heavy band of snow that was producing snowfall on the order of 1 to 2 inches per hour. That has tapered, but we're not done with the heavy snowfall just yet. We'll, of course, have much more, so keep it here. Back to you guys.
Okay, let's head outside right now. Of course, our studio is right at Horse and Market, and there's the bus stop. Scenes like this all over the metropolitan area right now. People waiting for the bus. A lot of people trying to get home early today because when this storm system hit, it hit pretty fast and furiously with a lot of snow accumulation. We're expecting to get as much as 10 to 12 inches out of the system as well. And earlier this morning, Sue Serio has been saying.
Yeah, really, the heaviest part of the snow is going to be along the I-95 corridor. Up in the Poconos,